This is my life before. I used to drink. Used to smoke. Go to casino. Before my life, like broken for many times. And in my life, I saw this girl. Oh, I saw this girl, I fell in love with her. It's the fleshly love, this worldly love. It's not love from God. We came together, we started to come together not long. Just for 4 years. And we separated. I have $2. It's very beautiful. But my daughters look like God. My oldest daughter, she graduated from high school and go to college now. But the young one, my youngest one, she's in 11th grade. She's my friend,
No, Lucy. What's Lucy? Yeah, Lucy.
Yeah, Lucy, friend.
Oh, hi, Lucy.
So $2, they didn't grow up with me. They grew up with their mother. But today, when I see you guys, your heart for God, it reminds me of what God told me. Samuel, get out of New York and go watch over my children. And the $2, I would take care of them. That's when I told God. But I didn't graduate Bible college. Why should I go? I have $2 and you have so many children. I didn't graduate Bible college. But God told me, what do you do best? I told God I could play guitar, I can sing.
That's what God was doing.
stop doing it. Because God can do all things. They didn't even sing, right? There's nothing that we cannot do with God, man. In 2016, that's when I go around the road, travel, help the young people, the Trojans. So that's why I always feel I accepted to give the encouragement to you guys. I also see like my $2 sitting with you guys in the midst of it. Amen. It's something that God tells us to do. Alright, because I don't have time to watch over my $2. Because of separation of my family. I thank God very much. See you guys, the hearts for God. Also, it touches God's heart, you know. Amen. Because I watch over God's children. I see my $2. God really exalts them. My oldest daughter. Before I went high school she graduated before she graduated high school. I went to top 10. She graduated like top 10. I went she's speaking in front of like thousands and thousands of people. I looked down at her. Oh, I started crying. God told us that when we direct ourselves towards Him, I will not leave you behind. I will leave you on top. So like the day, like me, I'm a father. I direct myself towards God. And my children, that's a part of mine. God exalt my children. So all of you guys, today, direct yourself towards God. Do what God tells you. Say what the Lord says. And God will exalt you. Amen. Amen. God will shine His face towards you. That's the promise to God. Amen. Amen. Today. You can tell a little bit. Okay. It's very important Bible verse I want to give you guys. See here. No. 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 5. Yeah. Hallelujah. 2 Timothy chapter 5 verse 1 and 2. 2 Timothy. Yeah. Oh, sorry. 1 Timothy on there. 1 Timothy chapter 5. Verse 1 and 2. What's 1 Timothy? First Timothy chapter 5. Chapter 5. Verse 1 and 2. Verse 1 and 2. It said, 1 Timothy chapter 5, verse 1 and 2. Don't rebuke an older man, but exhort him as a father, younger men as brother, older women as mother, and the younger women as sister, with all purity. Say amen. 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 Di dobu we pato, po muta puat pane, di mu pit pato. Po mule atasar pan, ne, di dobu we muto, leta so sweet. Amen? Amen. Away in a me where I say you are a good time here at the tiller. Here, bad the thing of the way the parliament. Just the word of God that's encouraging and just the word of God I tell you guys right now. Away me where that saw Paul. This is
Apostle Paul
เฮเฮบา
gives encouragement
เดตินเอาเวลาสอนทิมิเต
and gives encouragement to Timothy.
สอนทิมิเตมีเวลาภาษาจ้า
Timothy, he's a young man,
มันนักเกี่ยวกับเกี่ยวกับ leader
but he's a leader.
pastor
He's a pastor.
เอาคู่ต่างนี้เอาเวอัตตาเคดิ
He's also get angry fast.
อัตตาเคดิอัตตานี่เราต้องเพื่อมัน
Just
ตาดูตาเคมันเป็นอะไรมันชื่อ
also like
ภาษาในเกณฑ์สอนพอลูนี่
Apostle Paul.
อาเกเวดา
He's like
สอนทิมิเตอะไร
Timothy father, pastor.
like a pastor the spiritual father
Spiritual father.
ยันมอเอาคู่ต่างๆเอาเวฮิปโลเวลาสอนทิมิเต
He gives a warning to Timothy.
จอทิมิเต
Timothy,
นักเกเวดาเนาะนักเกเวดาภาษาสารกันแล้วเต้าพวกบุญปัดช่วยได้เต้าพวกเนาะ
so Timothy, they get pastor now. You're pastor, right? Yeah.
เอาคนนี้อาเคนี่ภาษาแล้วภาษากว้างนี่นานี่
So those who are older than you,
แต่บ้านกันเราแต่บ้านดูหลัว
don't argue with them.
พอมือละภาษากว้างที่ผ่านนี่
The older women,
แต่บ้านเตอาอโลบา
don't speak too much on that.
ภาษาภาษาจับรู้เขาเลยนานี่
So the young men, that's the same
แต่
as
บ้าน
you.
ปาดินดอกบัว
Keep them as your brothers.
อ่ะพอมือโพสต์ที่ผ่านนี่
The
แต่
women,
บ้านปาดินดอกบัวมือ
keep them as your sisters.
แล้วตักโซตัดซึ่ง
And pure